Hi, what's up guys? So in this video ay may i-review tayong panibagong project na nag-uusok sa trending guys, which is itong pangalan niya ay Smug, which is one of the greatest Solana airdrop of all time. At ngayon ay malalaman natin kung bakit, no? So sabay natin guys alamin at i-review kung ano nga ba itong mainit-init na bagong proyekto na ito na nagti-trending nga dito sa Solana habang nagpa-pump yung Solana token, no? So guys, alam naman natin yung Solana, as far as I know, pumapangatlo siya after ng Ethereum pagdating sa market valuation, no? So market cap, dahil marami silang projects na ginagawa doon sa loob ng Solana and it's very cheap to develop in that compared to Ethereum at lalong-lalo na sa Bitcoin, no? So yun, sa Solana maraming ginagawa ng mga project at tulad nga nitong Smug, no? So alamin natin guys kung ano to. So celebrate Year of the Dragon with Smug token, no? So Chinese New Year guys, at ang paniniwala guys ng mga Chinese at maraming fortune tellers na kapag Year of the Dragon daw ay magdadala ito ng maraming swerte, no? At dahil Year of the Dragon, ito yung kinakapitalize netong project na ito, which is Smug nga, no? So pwede tayo dito guys mag-join sa kanilang airdrop, no? Kung saan guys pwede kayo maka-redeem, no, manalo ng token or either USDT, depende sa kanila, no? So mamaya na natin pag-usapan kung paano i-buy and stake yung Smug, no? Pag-usapan muna natin kung ano yung value na kaya nilang i-provide. So first of all, this is a meme coin, okay? So it hopes to challenges yung mga meme coin tulad ng Bonk, ng Pepe coin at ng Dogecoin, no? So this is a meme coin. At alam naman natin guys, kahit meme coin lang siya, hindi siya matatawag na shit coin, no? Dahil meron siyang chance na mag-explode yung value niya kahit meme coin lang siya, no? Depende na lang siguro kung meron pa siyang utility, plus points na yun. Pero minsan kahit wala, just the point na viral yung trend na kinakapitalize niya, which is Year of the Dragon nga, yung Smug, may chance siya na tumaas. Depende sa marketing nila, no? At ngayon guys, nakita natin na marami silang marketing materials na nire-release, no? So this can be big soon. So only time will tell, okay? No? So dito guys, ang sinasabi nila is kapag nag-buy and hold kayo ng Smug token nila, eh pwede kayo guys magkaroon ng airdrop points na tinatawag. So bago to, wala masyado gumagawa ng mga meme coin na nagkakaroon ka ng airdrop points, no? So ngayon alamin natin kung ano nga ba talaga yung airdrop coin. So yung fair launch nila, magre-release na, no? So you can buy Smug on Jupiter or smugtoken.com, which is eto nga yon, smugtoken.com, or pwede kayo bumili dun sa application na Jupiter. Pero guys, kung gusto nyo mas accessible, ilalagay ko na lang yung website nila, tapos isang click nyo, nandito na kayo sa website na to. Okay, so you can fill your bags guys with this token, no, na nasa Solana chain na. So it is also a hold and stake to earn, no? So you can hold this Smug token, wait for it to appreciate on its value, and you can also stake it while holding it, so it earns more token, no? So it rewards yung mga tao na nag-hold, no, para hindi ma-convince yung mga tao na mag-sell agad, no? Pump and dump lang, mabilisan lang. Pero kung hold to stake, it can be a very good way for people to hold for long term, no? And that's what we want if we want the project to success in the long run, okay? So guys, you can claim your airdrop, no, kapag token holders na kayo and stakers. So na-feature na rin siya sa marami-raming news dahil nga media buying, marami silang ginagawa ng mga marketing, ayan. So mga top websites na feature na siya. At ito yung total supply nila is 1.4 billion, which is hindi ganun kadami. Which is karamihan kasi ng meme coin marami, like sobrang dami, billion to trillions yung supply. Pero this time, it's 1.4 billion at napakalaki ng budget na sinet nila for marketing, which is 50%. Kasi yung marketing is really essential for the growth and success, no? We want more people to come, no? At mag-join sa ating cause. Kaya they're really marketing it well at nakita natin kung ano kabilis yung pag-usad nitong project na ito. Tapos, bukod pa dyan is 35% is assided for the airdrop, no? So nire-reward din nila yung mga users by having daily giveaways, no? Mayroon sila palaging giveaway, 35% iaalat nila for the giveaways. Ang laki nun guys. So pwede kayong makakuha ng rewards while holding it, aside from staking it, aside from its appreciation of value, pwede kayong makakuha ng reward pa dun sa mismong airdrop, no? At malaki yung sinet nila na budget for that. And CX, and meron din silang CX liquidity at DEX liquidity, no, na i-aside once na dumating na yung panahon na available na sila. So ito nga pala yung token address nila sa Solana chain, at sa Ethereum chain ito naman yung token address nila, no? So yeah, secured daw sila by Team Finance and audited na. At ito yung mga phase na pinagdaanan na nila. Phase 1, token development is already done. Phase 2, we're getting there, the fair launch, Ethereum LP and staking, burn opportunities, yan, pinag-iisipan pa nila. At yung social dominance, we're undergoing pa ng maraming marketing materials na nire-release. Okay, tapos yung phase 3, ito yung susunod pa talaga, which is kapag na officially launch na talaga siya, no? So yung multi-chain din itong token na to, available siya both to Solana and Ethereum para mas maging accessible siya, okay? So paano ba siya i-buy? napakadili lang naman. Pwede nyo siya guys i-buy and hold sa Solana mismo, no? So for example, connect nyo lang yung Phantom wallet nyo and then swap Sol, USDT, Bonk or other to purchase Smug token. So i-search nyo lang Smug token sa Phantom wallet and then pwede nyo siya doon bilhin mismo. Tapos i-hold nyo lang siya para ma-qualify kayo sa airdrop. The longer you hold, the more airdrop points you get. Okay? So aside from that, you can also buy it at this website, no? So ayan, you can buy it with ETH or USDT. Ilalagay nyo lang, input nyo lang dito how much amount ng token na gusto nyo bilhin and kung ilan yung equivalent na Smug yung ma-release nyo kapag bumili kayo. So for example, ito yung ayan. Which is huwag kayong maglalagay, secure naman itong website na ito, no? So palagi ko yung tina-try at gumagana naman siya. At yung pangalawa naman guys is once na nakabuy na kayo ng tokens, you can use your OTC widget at the top of this page to purchase Smug on Ethereum at a 10% discount. So feeling ko guys mas maganda talaga dito na bumili kasi mas 10% discount dito compared to sa DEX. Okay, tapos pwede nyo pa i-stake agad, no? Stake to earn and it can be locked for 90 days, no? Ilalock nyo for 90 days which is good naman kasi mag-earn naman siya ng money while doing it. And then guys, para makasign in kayo sa airdrop, kailangan nyo muna mag-join sa Smug community on Zilli to earn extra points that will contribute to the rewards of the Smug airdrop, no? The more tasks you complete guys, the more you'll earn. Okay, these points will be added a few weeks after the launch. So yan guys, pindutin nyo lang dito, buy for 42%, connect nyo yung wallet nyo at i-confirm nyo lang yan and then make sure na meron kayong enough funds para bilhin siya at mag-execute naman siya easily and at the simplest way niya. Madali lang siya guys. So yan guys, huwag nyo sila kalimutan i-follow, no, sa kanilang mga social media sites kung gusto nyo supportahan itong project na ito. Sa Twitter, ito nga pala guys, yung official Twitter nila with already 25k followers. Okay, let's see kung ano yung mga pinapost nila dito. Ayan, talagang challenge nila yung dominance ng mga meme coin and they want to be one of the top meme coin in the world, no? At marami nga silang quest dito na kailangan nyo gawin to complete the airdrops. Ayan, dominating the world with meme coins. Okay. At ito naman guys, yung Discord nila, which is nire-recommend ko rin na salihan nyo kung gusto nyo talaga makita yung active community. Talaga walang bot pag nasa Discord. Ayan, meron silang 5k members, 649 online. At sa Telegram guys, pwede nyo rin sila salihan. Ito yung official, ano nila guys, Telegram community with 16k subscribers. At ito naman guys, yung Bird Eye, which is pwede nyo siya bilhin sa DEX. Okay. Ayan, makikita nyo dito, it is under the Solana chain. At pwede nyo guys, ibili na agad yung Smug nyo. Ayan, kita nyo dito guys yung presyo niya. So you can see here, talagang nagpa-pump siya. Try natin within 1 day. Yan guys. Oh my god guys. It's already pumped, no? Pero hindi pa naman too late and I think it will bounce back again, no? So the market goes up, go down, but I think it will go up again. Ayan guys, pataas yun naman yung trend niya. Masyado pa maaga para sa token na to. Tapos guys, dito, ayan, available sa Solana at sa Ethereum, okay? So guys, sa staking naman nila guys, kapag meron na kayong token, yan, pwede nyo sila i-stake dito, i-enter nyo lang yung amount ng token na gusto nyo i-stake at ilagay nyo lang guys, stake now. Tapos dito, pwede nyo siya i-claim for minimum 90 days, no? Bago nyo maklaim. So yun lang guys, dito na magtatapos yung ating video. Maraming salamat guys sa panonood nyo. See you soon sa ating next content.